Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. You must be signed into Game Center with the Apple ID you want linked. Open the Kabam game and sign into the Kabam account now. This ensures the game can detect your profile. Once done, make sure your device has a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular, because the linking happens on the network. If prompted for permissions, accept Game Center access. Without that, the game cannot perform the account bind. You will now do the in-game linking steps. Open Settings or Account inside Kabam, find the Link Account or Connect to Game Center option and tap it. The game should present the Apple ID currently signed into Game Center. Verify it is the correct one, because linking is account-specific. Then choose Link or Authorize. The app uses Game Center tokens to bind your Kabam profile to that Apple ID. Wait for the confirmation prompt and accept. This completes the authorization. You finish by confirming the link inside Kabam. Go to Account Linked Accounts and look for Game Center listed. If the link fails, sign out of Game Center, force close the game, restart your device, sign back into Game Center, and repeat the linking steps. This clears stale tokens. If problems persist, collect your Kabam account ID and a screenshot, then contact Kabam support for server or account issues. They can reattach records after verifying ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.